Hi everybody, I'm Lovely with another Brightline Eating vlog. This is going to be a quick one. I was just about to go to lunch. I had brought my lunch this week and put it in the fridge. It's a charcuterie, I call it, my charcuterie board lunch. And I was being kind of pissy pants. I was like, I don't really want to eat that. And I was like, well, you can go out and get chicken over salad. You know, there's a place down the street that you could get that. That's probably fine. Then I'm like, I don't want to eat salad. So, I'm having this dialogue in my head. And again, it's because like once I try to go outside of the line of like eating what I said I was going to eat, it starts spinning and I'm like, so anyway, I was like, suck it up and go make your lunch. And then I just had the lunch, and I'm here to tell myself, eat what you say you're going to eat because you actually like it. You never put on your list something you don't like to eat. And it was very enjoyable, very tasty, very much enjoyed. I had a little hummus, a little cucumber, some pepperoni and cheese, and what else? Little teeny tiny baby tomatoes and a beautiful orange. Hello. So anyway, reminder, note to self. Work through the pissy pant part and just do what you set out to do, and it will all be good. I'm Lovely and so are you, and hope you have a great weekend.